Swimming heat 7 in lane 1 for UCLA, Josie Arbuckle. Lane 2, Alexis Schaefer of UCLA. Lane 3, Laura Fitz of Purdue. In lane 4, Jada Duncan of UCLA. In 5, Caroline Larson for Louisville. For the Buckeyes in lane 6, it's Rachel Buckcraft. In lane 7, Amelia Gray of Indiana. In lane 8, Vince of UCLA.